Have you ever found yourself at the crossroads of e-commerce, unsure whether to take the path of Amazon FBA or dropshipping? The world of online commerce is vast and varied. One size doesn't fit all, and what works for one may not work for another. Today, we're going to delve into the depths of two popular e-commerce models, Amazon FBA and dropshipping. Both are excellent choices for those looking to dip their toes into the e-commerce world, each with its own unique set of benefits and drawbacks. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, allows you to leverage Amazon's extensive resources, from storage to shipping. On the other hand, dropshipping gives you greater control over your inventory without the need for storage or upfront investment. But which is the right choice for you? That's the million-dollar question. By the end of this video, you might have a clearer idea of which path suits you best. Dive into the world of Amazon FBA, where inventory management becomes a breeze. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service that allows you, the seller, to store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon then takes over, packing, shipping, and providing customer service for these products. Sounds pretty convenient, right? Well, it is, especially when you consider the benefits. One of the most significant advantages is the customer trust that comes with selling on Amazon. Your products are associated with a brand that has been around for more than 2 decades and has established a reputation for reliability. Another benefit is the eligibility for Amazon Prime. With more than 100 million Prime subscribers, this is a massive market that you can tap into. Prime customers tend to buy more, and they prefer products that are fulfilled by Amazon, which means more visibility and potentially more sales for you. But perhaps one of the biggest benefits of Amazon FBA is that Amazon handles the storage and shipping of your products. This means you can focus on sourcing and listing products, while Amazon takes care of the rest. No more late-night packing sessions or trips to the post office. However, as with anything, there are drawbacks. Amazon FBA can be costly. In addition to selling fees, there are storage fees and long-term storage fees if your products don't sell quickly. These costs can add up and eat into your profits. Amazon also has strict policies and standards that you must adhere to. Failure to comply can result in penalties, even suspension of your seller account. It's crucial to understand these policies and stay on top of any changes. Lastly, the competition on Amazon is fierce. With millions of sellers vying for the attention of customers, standing out can be a challenge. You'll need a solid strategy and a deep understanding of your target market to succeed. Amazon FBA, a seemingly attractive option with its share of challenges. Consider dropshipping, a business model that could potentially free you from inventory hassles. Now, what does this mean? Well, simply put, with dropshipping, you sell products without having to stock or own any of the items. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, the order is forwarded to a supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. Quite ingenious, isn't it? The beauty of dropshipping lies in its low startup costs. It eliminates the need for a physical store or warehouse, making it an attractive option for those wanting to break into the e-commerce space without a hefty investment. Additionally, it offers the flexibility to operate from virtually anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Another significant advantage is the ability to offer a wide range of products. Since you're not purchasing the inventory up front, you're free to list as many items as you want. This means you can experiment with various product lines until you find the one that resonates best with your target market. However, like any other business model, dropshipping does come with its own set of challenges. One of the biggest is dependency on suppliers. You rely on them for order fulfillment, and in the event of any hiccup, you're the one who has to deal with customer dissatisfaction. Delivery issues, such as delays or lost packages, can also pose a significant problem. Moreover, dropshipping often yields lower profit margins compared to traditional retail models. You see, suppliers charge a premium to handle the storage, packaging, and shipping of products. This cost is passed on to you, and consequently, it can eat into your profits. In conclusion, dropshipping offers an alternative path in the e-commerce landscape. It's a model that provides flexibility and a low barrier to entry, but it also requires careful supplier selection and effective customer service to overcome its challenges. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right strategy, it can be a profitable venture. Dropshipping, a flexible yet challenging route in the e-commerce landscape. Now, having glimpsed both worlds, it's time for a head-to-head comparison. Let's begin with startup costs. Dropshipping generally boasts a lower barrier to entry, requiring minimal upfront investment. You don't have to purchase inventory in bulk or worry about storage fees. On the other hand, Amazon FBA, while requiring a higher initial investment for inventory and storage, can potentially offer a quicker return on investment. Next, we'll tackle control over shipping. With Amazon FBA, Amazon handles all the shipping and logistics, which can be both a blessing and a curse. While it's convenient not having to manage shipping yourself, it also means you have less control over the process. On the flip side, dropshipping gives you the freedom to choose your own logistics partner. However, you are also at the mercy of your supplier's shipping times, which can sometimes lead to longer delivery times. Now let's consider scalability. Amazon FBA can offer a more scalable model due to Amazon's massive infrastructure and customer base. However, it also means more competition and a need for constant optimization of your product listings. Dropshipping can also scale well, but it requires a solid relationship with your suppliers to ensure they can meet the increased demand. Profit margins are another point of contention. Generally, Amazon FBA can offer higher profit margins due to the potential for higher volume sales. However, this also comes with higher costs, such as Amazon's fees. Dropshipping, on the other hand, often has slimmer profit margins but also fewer overheads. Lastly, let's discuss customer service. With Amazon FBA, Amazon handles most of the customer service, which can be a relief for many sellers. However, it also means you have less control over the customer experience. In contrast, dropshipping allows you to handle customer service directly, giving you more control over the customer experience, but also more responsibility. As we can see, both models have their pros and cons. The choice between Amazon FBA and dropshipping often comes down to individual preferences and business goals. For some, the higher startup costs of Amazon FBA are a deterrent, while others may be drawn to the potential for higher volume sales. Similarly, some might prefer the control over customer service that dropshipping offers, while others would rather leave it to Amazon. In conclusion, the choice between Amazon FBA and dropshipping is not a one-size-fits-all decision. It depends on factors such as your budget, your business goals, and your willingness to handle different aspects of the business. It seems the choice between Amazon FBA and dropshipping isn't as black and white as it first appears. After this deep dive into Amazon FBA and dropshipping, what are the key takeaways? It's been a riveting journey, hasn't it? Let's take a moment to summarize the main points discussed about both models. Our goal is to help you make an informed decision based on your personal preferences, business goals, and risk tolerance. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, is a model where Amazon takes care of storage, packaging, and shipping on your behalf. It's an excellent choice for those who value convenience and have a higher budget for startup costs. Remember, with FBA, you're buying inventory up front, so there's a significant initial investment. But the upside? You get to leverage Amazon's vast customer base and superior logistics. On the other hand, dropshipping is a model where you don't hold any inventory. Instead, you transfer customer orders and shipment details to either the manufacturer or a wholesaler, who then ships the products directly to the customer. This model requires less upfront investment and is a good choice for those who prefer lower risk and have the time to manage the complexities of shipping and customer service. But remember, lower risk doesn't always mean lower reward. With dropshipping, you'll need to establish strong relationships with your suppliers to ensure a seamless customer experience. We've seen that both models have their pros and cons. Amazon FBA might be a better choice if you have the funds and prefer to focus on marketing and sales, leaving the logistics to Amazon. On the flip side, if you have a knack for building relationships and navigating logistical challenges, dropshipping could be your golden ticket. But at the end of the day, the choice between Amazon FBA and dropshipping isn't a one-size-fits-all decision. It's about weighing the benefits and drawbacks of each model against your own business, vision, and risk tolerance. Remember, the best choice is the one that aligns with your business vision and risk appetite. Happy selling!